A new crosswalk in front of Spirit of the North Community School will make crossing 102nd Street a safer experience for pedestrians. The Town of High Level Public Works crew has just installed a new $9,000 lit crosswalk in the area to help pedestrians cross the busy residential street in a much safer manner. Pedestrians have had a difficult time in the past, feeling unsafe while crossing the crosswalk, especially with the high volume of traffic, being so close to the school, and several parks in the area. This particular crosswalk is both solar-powered and wireless, and is activated with just a push of a button. The new crosswalk is a prototype for the town and is one of the 3 crosswalks planned for the community. 2 other crosswalks with different designs are also in the works. One is planned for Chinchaga Drive and the other in front of High Level Public School, to replace the 40-year-old crosswalk previously located in front of the school.